Namaste friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today 29th shloka of Shri Aditya Hrudayam. Adityam preksha japtva tu param harshavaptavan trirachamya shuchirbhutva dhanuradhaya viryavan. Adityam at Lord Sun, Praiksha looking at, Japtva reciting, Tvanta pratyaya, Tu indeed, Param highest, Harsham happiness, Aptavan had became, Trihi thrice, Achamya drinking drops of water, Shuchihi clean, Bhutva became, Bhu dhatu, Tva Tvanta pratyaya, Dhanuhu bow, Adaya took, Viryavan strong person. Sri Rama, looking at God's son, recited this shloka and became happy. Sipping the drops of water thrice, he became pure. Sri Rama, strong one, took his bow. ಸೂರ್ಯನನ್ನು ದಿಟ್ಟಿಸಿ ನೋಡಿ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು ಈ ಶ್ಲೋಕವನ್ನು ಪಠಿಸಿ ಆನಂದಿತನಾಗುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಬಲಶಾಲಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀರಾಮನು 3 ಸಲ ಆಚಮನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿ ಶುದ್ಧನಾಗಿ ತನ್ನ ಧನುಸ್ಸನ್ನು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಾನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.